Good morning, fishermen. Early start. The birds are doing what they do. So let's go and get some fish, eh? Rightio. Good morning, fishermen. Early start. Sun's not up yet. Got a fish on. Come to Papa. Yeah, got a fish on. I brought my net with me today. It's too much hassle getting around the netting here on the jetty. So we got a fish on. It's always a good start. Little braided monofilament backing. There he is. Little feeder by the looks of it. That's all good. We'll net it. Come on, Papa. Come on. There we go. We've got a fish. Feed it. Oh, there we go. Great little fish. Feeding fish. Got a little bit stumpy nose on it. That's all good. A fish is better than no fish. So we'll put them back in the water, eh? Yeah, we'll use the net. Use the net to do it. Come on. Come on. Head away. Guys.